This is getting very complicated.
This is video
Oh. What? A different game?
Yeah.
But I'm all worn out.
No, you're not on.
Now Lucy's decided she wants to get in on it. Oh,
Okay.
she likes this game. She
Boy,
likes this game.
Papa.
But she just ate two, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we won't do that anymore.
Papa, I want to do that too.
One time, okay? Because you just ate. No,
Sucker.
I want to do it.
this is getting very complicated.
I had that one too. Whoa.
Wait a minute, we have to let Lucy get out of the way. Oh. Oh.
Hi! What are you doing?
One time, Lucy.
Yeah,
one
right.
Time. We did it one time with Lexi and one time with Lucy. Oh. Okay. Now, the rest of the time is devoted to keeping your dinner down. Oh dear. No, again, I'm pooped. No. Enough. Again, enough. Enough. Not again. Enough. Oh. No.
You just can't say no. He's escaping, girls. Get him.